In this video, we are going to learn about nerve supply of scalp. Scalp is supplied by 10 nerves on each side, 5 in front of the auricle and 5 behind the auricle. 5 nerves in front of the auricle are supratrochlear nerve, supraorbital nerve, zygomaticotemporal nerve, temporal branch of facial nerve, auriculotemporal nerve. 5 nerves behind the auricular, posterior auricular nerve, great auricular nerve, lesser occipital nerve, greater occipital nerve, third occipital nerve. Among the 10 nerves, 8 are sensory and 2 are motor. 2 motor nerves are temporal branch of facial nerve, which supplies frontal bellies of occipitofrontalis muscle, posterior auricular nerve, which supplies occipital bellies of occipitofrontalis muscle. 5 nerves in front of the auricular, supratrochlear nerve, supraorbital nerve. Next, remember the word temporal. Zygomaticotemporal, temporal branch of facial nerve. Auriculotemporal, near the auricle, auriculotemporal nerve. 5 nerves behind the auricular, posterior to auricle, posterior auricular nerve. Greater auricular nerve. Posteriorly there is occipital bone. Remember the word occipital. Third occipital, greater occipital, lesser occipital. Supratrochlear, supraorbital. Next remember the word temporal, zygomaticotemporal, temporal branch of facial nerve, auriculotemporal. Behind the auricle, posterior to the auricle, posterior auricular nerve, greater auricular nerve. Next remember the word occipital, lesser occipital, greater occipital, third occipital. Trigeminal nerve gives ophthalmic division, maxillary division, mandibular division. Ophthalmic division gives frontal nerve, which gives supratrochlear and supraorbital nerves. Maxillary division gives zygomatic nerve, which gives zygomaticotemporal nerve. Mandibular division gives auriculotemporal nerve. Supratrochlear nerve and supraorbital nerve are branches of frontal nerve, which arises from ophthalmic division of trigeminal nerve. Zygomaticotemporal nerve is a branch of zygomatic nerve, which arises from maxillary division of trigeminal nerve. Auriculotemporal nerve is a branch of mandibular division of trigeminal nerve. Great auricular nerve and lesser occipital nerve are derived from ventral ramus. Greater occipital nerve and third occipital nerve are derived from dorsal ramus. Third occipital nerve C3. Greater occipital nerve and lesser occipital nerve are derived from C2. Greater auricular nerve from C to C3.